Yes, the lion on the corner, so move from on ya. We kill some dangerous. Yes, the lion on the corner, so move from on ya. Cause we are dangerous. Russ. Scene. Shoodly waddly doodly, shoodly daddly doodly, shoodly diddly, whoa.
The turntables are officially on fire. Jaw Lion Sound Movement is going all the way in. Turn up the heat on ATL's only station for hip hop, Hot 107.9.
Tell them again. Tell them already we
up in here, Hot 107.9, Jaw Lion Sound Movements. I'm here with Passport, the biggest clothing line to hit the world. Trust me, Dubai, Africa, Jamaica, Virgin Islands, Atlanta, Miami, New York. No matter where you at, look out for Passport. Jaw Lion Sound Movements, Hot 107.9, all day, every day.
And the song we don't like, we don't.
Jaw Lion Sound Movements, I'm a DJ / entertainer. Mixtapes, clubs, radios, all day, every day, that's what I do. At the age of 14, I got a chance to see a DJ spin live for the first time. It was down by the Frederiksted Fish Market. It was on a Sunday. And I was just totally like amazed. I have a degree in building construction with a background in civil engineering. Going to a school like Georgia Tech, you know, is one of the top schools for engineering in the nation. So if I'm at one of the top schools in the nation, I'm competing on an academic level with some of the top students in the nation. My work ethic had to be at like just up here. I just basically applied that same concept to the music. I love hip hop, was introduced to it around the age of like 11 or 12. You know, and I was introduced to like the hardcore hip hop. The DJ, they bring out different emotions out of people in a certain environment. Imagine you're standing on stage in front of like 2,000 to 3,000 people, right? You touch the mic, you say, if you represent this place, I need you to do this. If you represent this place, I need you to do this. And you just bring the level of energy in the room to a certain point, and then you play the first song, and then the people lose their mind. It's like a natural high. I'm like a fiend. I'm looking for my next hit. I've looked up to a lot of DJs throughout my career. I would break it up into like the reggae and the hip hop category. So in terms of reggae, Mighty Crown, Black Cat, Kilimanjaro, Bass Odyssey, King Addies, Massive B. Though in terms of reggae, that's who I look up to. Grandmaster Flash, Jam Master J, Kid Capri, DJ Clue for the mixtapes, DJ Drama. So in terms of hip hop, those are the DJs I look up to. You know, I'm currently based in Atlanta. I just want to go all over the world. There's no limit to where I want to go. We've worked with an artist named Ray Nitty out of the Virgin Islands, Kissinger, Cruz Rock City, Verse Simmons, Big Bad Benny Demos, Wayne Wonder. In the future, I can see myself working with a lot of mainstream hip-hop artists. If you want to be a DJ, you have to be a student of the game. Strategically plan every move. Study. Make your first move. Be consistent in what you do. Build that fan base. If you're talented enough, if you make the right connections, and if you have a good work ethic, there's no reason why you shouldn't reach to where you want to be. Right now, it's all about Passport. You see the shirt, VI Massive out there every day, taken across the globe. So definitely look out for it. One of the biggest clothing lines ever. It's in the works, it's in the making, so definitely look out for it. Passport, Jaw Lion Sound Movements, I'm in the building, putting my stamp, I'm sealing it. Look out.
Watch them.